Does college really matter after getting sponsored from a very good shipping company? Don't worry, I'll surely clear this doubt out for you today. So hey guys, how you all doing? I hope each and every one of you watching this video right now is doing good. Myself Agneva Maiti and I welcome you back to our YouTube channel. I believe most of you all watching this video right now might have already cleared their written examinations and are sitting for their interview part, or 50 to 60% of you all might have already cleared the interview part as well and might be sponsored from various companies. Now yes, I have been interacting with a lot of students at Budding Mariners as well as students from our demo sessions and demo groups as well. The common doubt or the common mentality which I am getting from these students nowadays is that, sir, do I get this college? I have been sponsored from a very good company called XYZ. Do I get this college? Will I be able to take sponsorship from this particular company and go for this particular college? So where will this particular company send me for the DNS course? I can totally understand. Being a cadet myself, I have gone through this phase. We all have various institutes in our mind, starting from Tolani, TS Rahman, IME campuses, and IMI, etc. We all have inspirations and alumni, or we have our seniors particularly studying at that particular college. So I can totally understand. Starting from infra, faculties, and the legacy or huge alumni based power which that particular institute has, we students or we cadets tend to get more motivated to join that particular institute. I totally get it, but at the same time I would first like to mention, if you have cleared your interview part or you are sponsored from a company, if it is not your dream company, focus on your dream company right now. You still have the interview left for your dream company. For those who have still not sat for any interviews or still didn't get selected in any company, totally forget about going for DNS in a particular institute. I want your full focus, 100%, 200% of your focus in clearing that particular interview of a company. Because frankly speaking, college doesn't matter. The company matters. Because college will be, if you're talking about DNS, you'll be just spending your 1 year in that particular pre-C campus. And whatever campuses you all are going to do your DG approved DNS course, it will be from a DG approved college as well as affiliated with IMU. So yes, the standards and everything will be good in that particular college. But at the same time, I can totally understand what you are going through. But trust me, this is the preparation stage right now. I want all your 200 to 300% your focus in the interview part. First, get sponsored from a particular company, a good shipping company, and then think about getting enrolled in a college.
Hey guys, आप लोग वीडियो तो देख रहे हो, पर क्या आपने फॉर्म भरा? नहीं, राइट? और जो स्किप नहीं होगा, it's not an ad. After all, आपकी हेल्प के लिए ही है. चाहे मर्चेंट नेवी रिलेटेड बेसिक डाउट्स हो या प्रिपरेशन में हेल्प चाहिए हो, our mentors are always there for you. So fill the form in the description and like this video before you go.
Now, one more thing I would like to add here. This might not sound very good, but at the same time it is very crucial. I would really like to share it with you. It really doesn't matter if you get enrolled in a very good institute, it has a very good infra, it has a very good high fees, it has this, that, etc. But what if you're sponsored from a company which is a decent company but has a very high waiting period, say for example 1 to 2 years? Then what's the use of getting enrolled in that particular institute? You should rather look for a company which has a very less waiting period but is sending you to institutes of not very good standards, but at the same time has the minimal standards set down by IMU and DG. So I would say, again, company matters. Keep that in mind. Also, one more thing which I would like to add here, one last thing about companies and colleges which I would like to add here is, don't have a preconceived idea. Irrespective of whether you know about a particular college or not, I was sponsored by Synergy Marine Group, and there were various colleges in the list for the preference part, starting from Tolani, TS Rahman, AMET, IMU, HIMT. So yes, there were few colleges like AMET, HIMT. I have I didn't had any alumni from this particular institutes. I was more keen towards going to Tolani or TS Rahman, and I had a preconceived idea that I would really like to go for Tolani Maritime Institute. But fortunately or unfortunately, Synergy assigned me to, or scheduled me to go for this institute in Chennai called HIMT. And frankly speaking, I'm very I'll be totally honest, I'm very glad that I am a part of HIMT right now, because the fees is less compared to other institutes. I had a very good alumni. I spoke with my seniors. I interacted with a lot of faculties here. The infra is also quite good. Now, this is a topic which I would really like to take up in a proper structured manner in some other video, in some other day. But yes, being a part of HIMT, I'm really proud about it because I'm in Chennai and we get frequent visits from Synergy officials as well. So yes, don't have a preconceived idea in your head that I want to go in this particular college itself. Be happy that you got sponsored from a good company and trust your company. The company will only and only send their cadets to institutes which are of good reputation, and they will only and only send to that particular institute if they trust that institute. So yes, trust your company, have faith in your company. Have faith and trust in the institute which you are assigned for. Again, one last tip from my side, the same thing again. Just keep your 100% focus in your preparation right now. Just focus on clearing sponsorships in companies. Don't think about colleges right now. So yes, that will be it from my side for today. If you have any doubts regarding companies, colleges or sponsorship examinations or IMUCET, anything, you can just let me know in the comments down below, or you can just fill the Budding Marinas College Assistance link in the description box below, which is free of cost, and get in touch with us. So that will be it from my side. Thank you and have a great day.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए, then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for IMUCET and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Marinas on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your marina journey with us today.